Hey, this is a great question from Treasure Maze, and I'm going to let Erik answer this because I think Erik knows the answer here. He's got a particular one, I think, in mind. Treasure Maze asks, and I'm asking you this, Erik.
Okay.
If you were just beginning photography, what camera would you start with?
iPhone. I'm sorry. I would just because you can actually focus on the things that don't.
I know, but
really matter. But if you didn't,
you had a particular one that you were like, this is the deal.
Oh, well, there's a few of them. I mean, it matters what your
well, we're going to choose Canon. We're Canon, so we're going to choose.
Canon.
I mean, we're Canon shooters, not we're Canon.
Yeah, I would say like there's that one that's if you want full frame, the R8 is a great deal.
That's
right?
the one.
The R8 is like a smoking deal when you consider what sensor it has in it and the price of it. I think it's around $1,000.
Let's go see if I can find out what it is.
Yeah, $1,200. Now there's another one that's the R10, which is the crop one that's even cheaper, right? But both of those
Let's see what the R10 is.
Great cameras.
But that R8, that one's not going to be one you outgrow real quick.
No, yeah, the R8 is like, that's the one that I was saying for $1,200, like that can hold its weight at $1,200 versus the $5,000 ones.
Yeah.
Like you have all the things. Now the R10 is like,
it's $900.
You get the crop sensor, so you get the little advantage. So like if I was into action, I might say, well, go with the R10 if you want to like enter level.
Action, or if you're shooting sports
overall,
or wildlife.
Overall, like the deal is that R8.
Yeah, it's the R8.
It really does fit into that spot where it's like you're getting the R6 and the R5 and like those features, but you're doing it in a small package where you're getting that full frame sensor. I mean, you're just not going to outgrow that one. Like if you buy that, that's the deal. Like for $1,300, if you want a camera that you can grow into,
yes,
that's the camera.
That's the camera.